Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Kairos Design. I'm going to be teaching Photoshop from scratch. Okay. So today we are going to be learning about how to create a new document or a new file in Photoshop. If you like this video and then this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and let me know your questions in the comment section. Okay, so let's get started. So first, open your Photoshop. I'll later upload a video on how you can install Photoshop. Okay. So um, so this is our view. So for you to create your file, so you go to new file. So when you type of new file, this new window opens. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to be showing you the important things that you need. Okay. You don't need to know everything about Photoshop to start designing or to start using it for effective stuff. Okay. So these are the recent sizes. Okay, then you have saved, you have the ones you saved, and you have the photo type of sizes, whether you want it in landscape or portraits and all. And you can also get it in the print size, whether E4 or legal, whether you're going to print it. Okay, but you can, I mean, so all these are not so necessary. The most important ones are what I'm going to show you. Okay, yeah, so and there's an option that allows you to design in the mobile form or in the web design form, and you certainly don't need Photoshop for web designs or other stuff. I mean, there are other effective tools for that. You can use it though for it, but there are other effective tools that you can also use for that. And Photoshop too is a great one that you can use for it. So let's get continued on this. So when it comes to the preset details, okay, so we have this one asks you to specify the size that you want the file to be, whether in pixels, whether in inches, centimeters, and what you can see there. Okay, so mostly designers do it in pixels. Okay, you can do it in inches if maybe you have a specific requirements from the client. Okay, maybe the client wants it, maybe the client is going to create a banner, so he wants it maybe 11 by 13 inches or something. Then maybe you can go to inches. Then maybe the width, and I'm sure you understand width, right? The width will be between it to 11, and then maybe by, yeah, the height. Okay, but mostly as a beginner, if you are designing normal flyers and all, it's in pixels. Okay, unless maybe you want to design in an A4 size, you just have to choose an A4 over here. Okay, yeah. So the normal box or square sizes of pliers you've been seeing around, okay, is normally 1080 by 1080. Okay, so as a beginner, this is the standard size that you need to know. Okay, so you can, so this orientation of whether you need it in portrait form or landscape form. Okay, so for now we need it in a portrait form. And the artboard, when you check this helps you to create multiple um let's say multiple pages. It's like you are in Word document. Okay, and then you want to go to the next page. When you click enter, it leads you to the next page. Okay, so the artboard kind of helps you create multiple design pages. Okay, maybe you are designing a particular flyer which links. Okay, maybe instead of you going to create a new flyer, you can just click on the artboard. So when you go into the interface of the artboard, it's going to help you create more pages. Okay, so maybe I'll do another tutorial section on that. So now let's move on to the resolution. So mostly the resolution is the pixels per inch. Okay, when you zoom in the picture to the last end of the zoom, you can see that the picture is in boxes. Okay, so the boxes come together. The boxes are the pixels which come together to make out the image. Okay, that's the resolution. So so normally I keep mine at 300. So maybe it depends on you, but as a beginner, I advise maybe keep it at 300 or maybe 100. I mean, but it's the highest resolution is always the best, but not always too high. Okay, So you can also keep it in pixels, percentages, or inches. Okay, and then this the RGB. Okay, that's RGB. Mostly the standard size, the standard color mode is RGB. Okay, so I advise that in all your designs you keep it as RGB. RGB. So the grays, we have grayscale, we have CMYK, Calabar. They are all not needed as a beginner for now. Okay, so all that you need to know is that it always has to be at RGB. So whenever you are creating, sometimes it can go to grayscale. Okay, when it does that, it means that all whatever pictures or whatever thing you're going to do is going to look black and white. Okay, you can try it. It's going to look black and white, and you don't want that. So you want red, green, blue. Okay, that's the meaning of RGB, and it's normally at 8 bits. Okay, it's normally at 8 bits. So I advise you keep it at 8 bits, and your background color, and then your background color, you can always leave it at white. Okay, unless you're doing something and you don't want it, you don't want a background for it, then you choose a transparent color. Okay, but it's mostly at white, and you necessarily don't need to. I mean, give it a color over here. I mean, the black and all those. You can do that in your, I mean, when you are designing. Okay, so for now, you just have to leave it at white. So the color profile, these things are not really needed as a beginner. So just leave these ones as it is. Okay, so you don't need to know these things as a beginner. As time goes on, maybe you need them, but for now, you don't need them. So here too, you can name the file. Okay, and you don't necessarily have to name it over here, because when you are done with your design and everything, you can just save it and name it into wherever that you want to save it as. But for the sake of the tutorial, you can just name it to, for this sake, let's just say tutorial. Okay, tutorial. So then you create. There we have. So this is the width, and then this is the height. So it's 1080 by 1080 pixels. Okay. So let's just say you've opened your window and then you want to create a new document. Okay, you just have to come to file, then you come to new, then the window opens again. Okay, so you have to go through all the processes that you went through over here. So I advise you keep it 1080 by 1080 depending on the size, which this is changeable, and then resolution 300 pixels per inch. I mean all these things. Then you click on create. Okay, yeah. So that is it. So as I said early on, you don't need to give it a name over here. So let's say you are done with whatever you're doing and you want to save. Okay, it won't allow us to save because we've not done anything. So let's just draw a shape over here. Okay, and then try and then okay, try and then save it. Oh, what is happening? So let's try and save this shape. Then click on save. You see, it now gives you the option to save your this one. Even you don't even need to change it here. When you come to save on your computer, then save on your computer. Then this is where you give it a name, okay, before you click on save. So yeah, so then you click on save and save. So right now I don't need to save it, so let's just cancel it. So if you want to cancel a page too, you can just click here. Then no, you don't need to save it. Then it goes away. And if you want to open a new document, okay, you just have to come here, open, then on your computer, then you search for it, you tap on it, then open, it will open the document for you. Yep. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and this video has been helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video to all beginner Photoshop users. And yeah, and let me know your comments. Let me know your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.